Hello everyone, we are from group 1_6. We are working on a virtual simulation application where you can conduct any lab experiment in an online environment. So why do we actually chose to work on this project? Throughout our first semester, we conducted all our lab experiments in two online workspaces, namely Tinkercad and Circuitbus for our digital electronics course. So both of these applications have got their own merits and demerits, but at present the demerits totally outweighs the merits. We even conducted proper surveys to gather the information about the weak areas of these applications, and then we laid the foundation of our own application Prayogshala. So what is Prayogshala? Prayogshala is an online virtual application where you can conduct any experiment without any hassle, and the best thing about it is that you don't even need internet for it. Prayogshala works on both online and offline mode. So now Ronit will be discussing about the high fidelity prototype of our application.
Hello everyone, I am Ronit and now I'll be taking you through the high fidelity prototype for our project Prayogshala. As you can see, here is the landing page for Prayogshala. We have tried to keep everything simple and minimalistic so that the user does not get overwhelmed. So let's get started. Here you can see the login page. Now we will log in. This is the interface for Prayogshala. We have tried to keep it simple and keep everything organized. You can see we have the main tools here in the toolbar, which is movable. We also have different tabs so that the user can work on many projects at once. You can switch between the tabs and you can even close the tabs if required. In the main menu bar, we have commonly used functions such as delete, rotate, adding comments, saving, the undo and redo option. You can change the color of wires or anything that you're working with. You can zoom out or zoom in depending upon your preference, and you can also share the your project via the you can download it snapshot, or you can copy the link to share it with other people. Here you can see this is a basic interface. If you click right here, you can switch to the pro interface, in which we have some more options and everything is a bit more nuanced. For example, here we have the 3D option, which will switch you to the 3D interface, and here we also have this code option, which with which you can add uh, code to your projects and uh, work with much more advanced stuff such as Arduino and other things. Click on this properties panel to see all the properties related to the current selected item. For example, for this breadboard, we have the name of the breadboard, the type, this element is of type breadboard, and a label. Currently, there is no label attached to it. From here, you can also add in elements from this sidebar. Here you can search for elements, and all the basic components and advanced components are here. Now, as we all know, most people prefer dark mode these days, because not only is it better for the battery, it is also better for your eyes. So we have also introduced a dark mode in the app. You can switch to a dark mode from here, and dark mode has the same functionalities as the light mode. Only everything is of a darker shade, and it will consume less battery, like slightly less battery than the light mode. You can see you can perform all the same functions here, all the same menus are there, and you can also go to the pro version in the dark mode. So this was the demo or a high fidelity prototype of our project Prayogshala. Thank you very much.